Good day everyone. Today I will be showing you how I make my spring rolls. So these are the ingredients that we need to make it. I have a frozen spring roll wrapper. I have 2 yellow onions chopped. I have 6 cloves garlic. I have 400 grams chicken, minced chicken. I have 150 gram glass noodles. I have about 200 grams carrots. I have 80 grams leeks, sliced into small pieces. And I have this celery leaves. This is about 25 grams. And I have this 340 grams cabbage. And for seasoning, I have 2 dark tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chicken stock powder, 1 teaspoon coriander seed powder, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. And of course, we will need a cooking oil, and I will be using this to fry and saute our ingredients. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is to boil 8 cups of water, and I will add about 1 teaspoon of salt and bring it to boil. And I use this cup for measurement. So meanwhile, you can defrost your spring roll wrapper. So remove it from the plastic and make sure that you have a kitchen towel and wrap it until leave it like this until it's ready to be used. In this way, it will be, it's not going to be dry. So like this. Now that the water is boiling, we will turn off the heat. And we will put our glass noodles in. We have to submerge the glass noodles in the hot water and let it stay there for about 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, remove from the water. Careful. And rinse with very cold water. Rinsing cold water will remove remaining starch and will stop it from cooking. So, and make sure that this have no water anymore before adding to our ingredients. We have to cut this one into small pieces, about like this, just like that. Yeah. So. Like that. So, let it drain very well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!